All right, we have another case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this one is the Metropolis LT from UAG. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector, and this is Gadget Beard. And on this channel, I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video, I have a case from UAG. Now, this is the Metropolis LT series case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This case is rated at 16 feet drop protection. It is built with DuPont Kevlar, and obviously you've seen a UAG packaging before, very premium cases. But let's take a look at the case itself. Feels very good. It is soft TPU around the edges. You do have Urban Armor gear branding there, bottom right corner, and then military grade standard drop protection code there. But even inside too, and I believe it is MagSafe compatible, as you can see the outline there. So this is going to be MagSafe compatible, and you see the drop protection pattern inside. So without further ado, let's grab the iPhone here, place this inside, and very nice. You do got a very nice snug fit here. Now you do got plenty of lip protection there around the edge of the display. Even with the tempered glass screen protector on, you have plenty of lip protection here. It protrudes more on the corners than the sides, but you do have enough lip there, and you have plenty of lip protection here around the back as well to protect the camera lens. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface or on its back on a flat surface. Your screen or your lenses are not gonna get scratched. But look at that, it absolutely looks fantastic. The cutouts on the bottom are nice and precise. You can see that. Boom. The buttons are 100% covered, nice and tactile, very responsive. Mute slider easily accessible, nothing on top. I love the feel of this Kevlar here on the back. It just feels like actual material, like a fabric almost. It feels very, very good. But they do say it is MagSafe compatible, so there you go. As you can see, it is MagSafe compatible, so it's going to work with all your MagSafe devices, and it's going to wirelessly charge through the case. Bam. Let's take another quick look at this case, because it absolutely looks fantastic. Well, there you have it, guys. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Link to this case will be in the description of the video. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.